Hello dear friends, today I want to touch briefly on what's called Power Automate Desktop. As you saw before in Office 365 Power Platform, there are several options of creating flows. Some of them are cloud flows, and there are also desktop or UI flows, if you can call them. For that, we have to install this app, which is called Power Automate Desktop, and I have it already installed. If you follow the instructions in Office 365 portal, it will prompt you to download this app and install it on the machine. And after you have it installed and open, you have these options here. So now I'm going to create this test flow, and so this is what I see. I get some actions here. You see there are variables, conditions, loops, wait, actions which you can do with files. There are some parts for UI automation. For example, if you want to file a form, something like this, you can do it automatically. There are specific things related to database or email or Outlook. So quite a lot of options here. I just wanted to show you a really simple option how you can work with Excel using Power Automate. So you see, if I click here under Excel, there are some basic actions and there are some advanced actions. Well, let's go ahead and launch Excel. This would be the first action. You just drag and drop here, and you can select a blank document or a existing one. So I'm going to open the existing document that I created just for this test, and this document is here. So then I just click save. This action in Power Automate Flow will launch Excel and one specific document, right? And let's say let's have a quick look how it works, right? So if I save it, I click to run this flow, and what happens? Well, now I have two instances of this document is open because I already had one previously. So you see now here I have just a couple of names and a couple of countries, and let's say for our use case I just want to write another country into this cell. So if I close this document again, let me add another action to write in Excel. Let's have a look if I have something specific to write. I do not find anything specific here, but if I look under actions, there are things write to text file and write to Excel worksheet. We can use this one. So this Excel instance, this is the one that this variable, it gets created when we actually retrieve this file. So this is the correct file that we are going to need. Then value to write, let me write a country, for example Germany, on a specified cell. We just keep it really simple. So what was our cell here? Let's have a look. It's B4. So I go back and specify B and row 4, right? So let's have a look and see if it works. I launch the Excel file, and yeah, it's written, so it works quite well. So that gives you an idea, that you can do, just to start with. a lot of actions. Just go through some of them and see what's relevant for you, for your specific use case, and then you can go deeper into it. As you know, Microsoft is promoting this Power Automate as one of the popular RPA, robotic process automation solutions. So in future, I'm sure this will become even bigger, and you can use it in many use cases. So anyway, I hope it's been helpful just to get you thinking, and you have a wonderful day and stay healthy. Bye bye.